You have ears, right? If you're not a fan of sticking things in them, you're not alone. Good news! You can enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and more with open-ear headphones. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. We gathered, tested, and reviewed over a dozen open-ear products. The latest models reveal great strides in design, features, and sound quality. So without sparing a second, let's dive into them. The Soundcore AeroFit 2 stands out as it delivers rich, heavy bass sound through uniquely adjustable speakers and boasts excellent touch controls. With a strong 10-hour battery life and wireless charging support, it's built for all-day wear, though its oversized case may be a turn-off for some. Then there's the EarFun Open Jump, another budget-friendly option that often goes on sale. It provides solid sound and easy setup with no requirement to sign up for an account. The wireless charging case is a nice bonus, although its weird touch controls and somewhat tricky fit may take a little patience. Shokz, a well-known name in the open-ear game, offers two interesting models. The Open Fit looks sleek and fits comfortably, especially for people with specs. However, it's held back by just average sound and a slightly outdated Bluetooth version. Meanwhile, the newer Shokz Open Dots 1 steps things up with Bluetooth 5.4, better audio quality, and ear detection, a rare find in open ears. It supports multi-point, charges wirelessly, and has a companion app, though the touch control customization is a bit limited and there's a slight lag with video. Now, if you're all about battery life, the Oladance OWS2 is hard to beat, offering a jaw-dropping 19 hours on a single charge. Its sound quality is impressive, and it comes in a variety of stylish colors. Still, its large size makes it quite noticeable, and the charging case lacks an internal battery, which could be inconvenient on the go. The app experience isn't the most polished either. All in all, each of these open earbuds brings a different thing to the table, whether it's sound, comfort, battery, or features. It really comes down to what you prioritize most in your day-to-day listening experience. Now, what do you think about this list? Pour in your suggestions as well in the comments. Hit like and subscribe to GadInsider. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon so you won't miss any tech update.